How to find someone's Instagram account by photo. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find someone's Instagram account by photo. Watch the video till the end, and without any further delay, let's dive right into the video. So, in order to complete this process, you have got an option of Google Images. You simply need to launch any browser or simply you can open Google application. There you will get Google Lens at top right corner. Simply you need to tap on it. Now you will get access to Google Lens. So you have to make sure that you have saved the photo from your Instagram account, or if you just happen to know that this is what they look like, and if you are trying to find your Instagram account, then you need to select the picture, and then Instagram or Google Lens will show you the result of any people that have similar photo in their Instagram account just like this. So this is how you can easily find someone's Instagram account by photo. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.